Welcome to Banali's kitchen. Today's recipe is fried aloo chaat or fried potato chips chaat. It's a very easy, simple chaat recipe and the taste is sweet, sour and yummy. So let's get started with this beautiful mouth-watering recipe. For this recipe I am using potatoes cut into cubes and in round shape, 1/3 cup of tamarind pulp, 1 cup of sugar, and here is my dry ingredients, that is 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. In a saucepan, add the tamarind pulp, sugar, chaat masala, salt, red chilli powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and fennel seed powder. Now mix them all together. Now keep them into the medium flame for about 4 to 5 minutes and just let them completely dissolve all the ingredients together. Yes, this is the right consistency I'm looking for. You can add little water in it if you desire. Now keep the sauce in a bowl and let it cool down. We will use it later. In a pan I have added oil and my oil is looking hot. Now I am going to fry my potatoes. Now I am adding little amount of salt into the potatoes. Salt helps cook faster. Keep stirring in between. After exactly 7 to 8 minutes over low heat, now I am going to shake my potatoes. Take a skewers and just shake the potatoes, and yes, this is done. Now take out from the hot oil. And keep it in a paper towel. Now I am going to fry my chicken batch and it is round shape. And again add a little bit of salt and keep stirring in between and let them cook for 4 to 5 minutes over low heat. Once it is look half cooked, then you need to take out from the hot oil and just keep them aside in the paper towel. My both batches are fried up. Now I am going to roll the first batch. First spread the first batch potatoes in a plate, then just roll up with a rolling pin. It should be nicely flattened. Yes, this is enough, I think. Yes, this is perfect. They are nicely flattened. Again, fry the flattened potatoes into the hot oil for about 5 to 6 minutes over low heat or until it looks crispy. After 5 minutes over low heat, now I'm going to take out from the hot oil and my potato chips are done. Looking very nice in color. Just keep them in a paper towel. Again fry another round potato chips into the hot oil for another 5 minutes. And once it is crisp up, then I will take out from the hot oil. After 5 minutes over low heat, my second batch potatoes are done. Now just take out from the hot oil. Now in a bowl add the fried potatoes and then add the sweet and sour tamarind sauce into the fried potatoes. It's looking little sticky, but don't worry, it will work perfectly. Now mix well the potatoes and sweet and sour tamarind. Yes, looking very nice and yummy. Now transfer the spicy fried potatoes into your serving plate. Yes, they are looking seriously delicious. Our fried aloo chaat is ready to be served. They are so crunchy and delicious. You can serve this immediately or you can keep this into your refrigerator. They won't be damp up to 2 days. Try this fried potato chaat recipe at your home and I'm sure your family and friends definitely love this recipe. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon in another video. Bye bye. Take care.